Okay, so to create a crypto wallet, you need to go to your app store, Play Store, and search for an app called Bit Africa. I'm sorry, but this app is only available for Ghana and Nigeria. So if you're not in Ghana and Nigeria and you are in any other country, comment the country down there and I'll show you an alternative app, but it follows the same procedure. Okay, so here you need to input your username, your email. That is after you are done downloading the app and installing it. You need to input your username, and you need to remember the username because you'll be using it to log in anytime you need to get access to your account. So a code will be sent to your email, so you need to visit your email and get the 4-digit code that was sent to your email and head back to the app and paste it there. You need to type it manually. So anytime you want to log in, a code will be sent to the email, so make sure you use an email which is closer to you. Okay, so it says welcome, and now I need to continue with the sign up. I can enable notification. You can choose to do it later on. So a code will be sent again because I enabled notification. A code will be sent on this app. Anything you want to do, a code will be sent to your email. That's why I advise you use an email which is closer to you. Okay, so right now I'm inputting the code in there just like this, and now I'm done with the first part of the creation process. Now let's go to the verification process, because without verification you can't send and transfer, you can't send and receive funds. You can also though a limit will be also be placed in your account. So go to the profile at the top, at the bottom right corner, and click on it. You will see KYC in the preferences tab. You can see right here it says step 1 submit details and step 2 verify ID. When you click on the step 1, you'll be asked to input your first name, your middle name, and your last name. And now you need to input your date of birth. Make sure all this information you are providing is the same as what is on your ID, because a verification will be done to check whether it matches. If it doesn't match, your account won't be verified. So please do well and use the information which matches the one on your ID card you are going to be using. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and input your date of birth, your first name, your last name, and the middle name is optional. You can choose to add it, you can choose not to add it. Your account will still be verified, but then if you add it, make sure it is the same thing on the ID. Okay, so now we are done with our date of birth. Now just click on this blue continue button right here, and now you need to input your address, your city, region, and phone number. You can get an address by going to Ghana GPS or GPS dot something. I will leave the link in the description. If you're in Nigeria too, there should be a way you should get access to it. Now it says Ghana card. I'll go ahead and input my Ghana card details. It is this easy. It's just your ID is the same as your ECOWAS ID card. Okay, so now we are going to the next section of the verification, which will open a page on your browser. It will open a page on your browser where you need to grant access to your camera, because you need to take a picture of the front side and the back side of the ID. I'm done taking a picture of the front side of the ID. It will verify it automatically within seconds, and then you need to take the back picture also, and you need to rotate your head 360 2 times before you be verified. So I'm done with the front part. I'm now going to take the back part of my ID card. I've taken the back part of my ID card. Now I'll upload all. Okay, so you can see right here I've uploaded the back and the front side of the Ghana card. Now I need to do the last part of the verification, which is to turn my head 362 times. Okay, you need to turn your head clockwise. It will be written there, so you need to just follow. Now I'm done with that part. This icon, you see this laptop icon here showing that you are done with it. Now we are done with our ID verification. We are done with our manual verification. We need to now wait for 2 to 3 minutes. An email will be sent to you to show that you have verified your ID. So let's wait 1 to 2 minutes for it to arrive. If it doesn't arrive, go to your spam folder, but it will do arrive since this app is. So now you can, after you receive the confirmation email, that let me go and check my email right quick and see. Okay, you can see right here it says hooray, account verified and ready to use. So now my account have been verified and I'm ready to buy and sell some crypto. So let me show you easily how you can buy and sell crypto. Before you do that, you need to go to the preferences tab of your profile. You can see right here my ID is now verified within minutes. So now I need to buy some crypto. I want to show you how this app works. If you are in Ghana, it is almost the same for Ghana, for Nigeria also. I would go here and click on add, and I'll select the network provider I'll be using and input my details. Now the accounts have been added. That is the number I'll be using to make the deposit. That's why I added it. So make sure you have money in your mobile money wallet. So now I'll go to buy right here and select Bitcoin. Right, you can select Bitcoin. You can also add your bank account to it, but I added the mobile money for the purpose of this video. I want to make it as short as possible, but it is the same process. So when I go, I'll see all the funds right here. When I click on buy Bitcoins, I'll be asked to generate an address. Okay, I don't already have an address, so I'll generate the address. Now I generate the address, I'll input the amount I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 20 Ghana cedis. I'll just input that right here and then click on the buy right here. It will tell you the amount of dollars you'll be getting. In this case, $1.24 is what I'll be getting. So you now go ahead and then click and then allow cash out. This is to prevent enormous charges. Okay, so once you click on I have allowed cash outs, it will send you to this page right here. You need to wait for the confirmation to be sent to you so that you can input your mobile money pin manually and then click on I have paid. Please do not click on I have paid if you haven't confirmed. And if you wait for a minute or two and it doesn't come, please go to your approvals and approve it. As you can see right here, it has come. It says approve withdrawal of 20 Ghana cedis. You need to now input your mobile money pin. Once you're done inputting your mobile money pin, you'll be asked to approve it by clicking yes or no. Then I just click yes, and you click on this OK right here and click on I have paid. Once you tap this I have paid button, it will process it, and within seconds it will reflect in your account. Let me go to my home page and you can see right here my balance was $0, but now it's 1.24. That's how you create and verify a crypto wallet. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this.